discuss chapter 4 parts and whole. This first page we have completed. Then now we can discuss the second page, that is page number 52. Manju had a chocolate. Then she gave 1/4 to Raji. So 1/4 of this chocolate. How many bites are there? Here 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 12 bits are there. Okay. Then among these 12, 1/4 gave to Raji. Then 1/4 of 12. That is total 12 are there. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then 1/4, that is 3 chocolates. Okay, 3 bites gave to Raji. So Raji got 3. Sugata, 1/3 to Sugata. That is, for this 12 bites divided into 3 parts. Then 1 on 3 and 2 on 3. Here 3 on 3 will be there. So here will be 4 bites. Here 8. Then last will be 12. 4, 8, 12. So 4 will be there for Sugata. Then 1/6 to Sheila. That is, here 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. One more. 12 are there total. Then 1/6. So here 2 bites will be there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So here 1/6 is the position. So 2 bites are there. For Sheila, 2 bites are there. She ate the remaining part. So Manju ate the remaining part. Total how many were there? 12 are there. So 3 Raji. Then Sugata got 4. 3 plus 4, 7. Then Sheila got 2. So 7 plus 2, 9. So 3, 4, 2. Total 9 bites left. Remaining how many are there? She ate the remaining part. How many pieces of chocolate did each get? So how many pieces our Manju got? Manju got only 3 pieces. We can do next page. Color 1 on 3 of the hats red. So total how many are there? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Total 15 hats are there. Okay. Then color 3/5 hats blue. That is 3/5. This we have to divide into 5 parts. That is mean by 3/5. Okay. Then 1 on 3. That is 1/3 of the hats red. First we can do this part. 1/3. Here total 15 are there. This we have to 15 divided by 3. What is that? 5. So 1 on 3 of 15 is equal to 5. So 5 hats are red. So we can color this with red. Red. This also with red. Here also with red. How many total? 5 hats with red. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we done with red. Okay. Here red. For this hat red. This hat red. This hat red. Then next 3/5 hats blue. That is 1/5 of 15 hats. That is equal to 3. That is, if we are dividing this 15 into 5 parts, we will get 1/5 only 3 hats. Only 3 hats. But the question is 3/5. That is 1/5. 2 on 5. 3 on 5 will be there. 3 on 5, that is 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So 9 hats will be in blue color. So this will be blue. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Then how many hats did you colored red? How many were there? 5 hats. Okay. How many hats did you color blue? 9. Okay. What part of the hat are not colored? Here 1 hat we didn't color. So 1 on 15. Okay. Page number 57. Patterns in parts. Make different patterns by coloring some squares in the grids B, C, D. Here B, C and D. What part of the grid did you color? What part of the grid remained white? That is, we didn't color or shade. That is here 8 on 16. 8 on 16. That is blue in color and other 8 columns didn't color. That is the white. So here 16 boxes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Among these 16, 8 colored with blue. Then 8 boxes didn't color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Then next we have to make in our own way. That is, if we are considering only this part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So total 8 boxes are there. Among these we can shade 3 boxes. Okay. Now 3 boxes shade. So 3 are in blue color. Think like that way. Now we can do with pencil. Okay. Now we can use pencil for shading. Okay. Now here 8 pieces are there. Here we can color 3 boxes with pencil. Okay. Now 3 on 8. Here also 3 on 8. Remaining here total 8 pieces are there. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Among these 5 are in white. 5 on 8 are in white. This part also 5 on 8 are in white. Okay. Now here we can consider 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes. So here also 4 boxes. Here also 4. Here also 4. Among these 4, each 4 group 4 are there. 4 boxes. Each group 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here 4. Then each group contains 4 boxes. Among these 4 boxes, we can shade only 2 with the pencil. Here also only 2 with the pencil. Okay. Then here also we can shade only 2 boxes. Here also we can shade with the 2 boxes. So with the pencil. Okay. Then here 2 on 4. Here also 2 on 4. Here also 2 on 4. Here also 2 on 4. But here actually total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes were there. Then among these 4 boxes, 2 we colored with the pencil and 2 we didn't color. That is white. Okay. Then now we can consider the box D. Okay. How many are there? Small boxes. Here total 16 are there. Okay. Then we can make this into 2 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 boxes are there for each group. Okay. Then here we can color half of this with pencil. So here also we have to color half of this with the pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 were there. Then 4 we colored. Here also 4 we colored. That is with blue. Then 4 on 8 are in white. Here also in this group also 4 on 8 will be there in white. Okay. Now we can color with blue. Okay. Okay. Now I colored that shaded part with blue color. Okay. The question is, look at grid A again. Okay. Is the grid colored 1 on 2 blue, 1 on 2 white? Yes. Okay. 1 on 2, that is half of this. Total 16 boxes were there. So we colored half of this with blue color and half with white. So yes. Now 2 on 4. 2 on 4. Yes, that is if you are considering 4 boxes, we can color 2. That is 2 on 4. That also equal to half, no children? So, yes, half 2 will be there. So, yes, 3 on 8, 5 on 8. No, 3 on 8. So, this one. This is not a half. We didn't get half. So, if we are doing one more column with blue, we can say that is half. Now, here for our white color, one color is more. 2 colors are more. Okay. That is 2 boxes extra. If we color one more with blue, we can say both are equal. This is one group. Okay. Each group 8 boxes are there. But half of 8 is 4. Actually, we have to color 4. But we colored only 3. So, this is wrong. Okay, we didn't color. We didn't get half of this or equivalent of this 8 on 16. Equivalent fraction. Okay, we have studied that. 4 on 8 blue, 4 on 8 white. Yes, this is half 2 groups. Here it is with 4 with the blue color and 4 with the blue color for 2 groups. Okay, so we can put a tick there. Ramu's vegetable field has 9 equal parts. What vegetables does he grow? Here chili, then potato, brinjal, tomato, spinach. Okay, now the question is, which vegetable grows in the biggest part of his field? What part? So here 9 parts are there. So here 3 tomato are there. 3 part contained tomato. So which vegetable? That is tomato. Okay. Then on what part of the field does he grow potatoes? So here 1, 2 parts. So 2 on 9. Total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 parts are there. What part of the field is used to grow spinach? Only 1 part is there. Okay. 1 on 9. Total 9 among this one box. Okay. What part is used for brinjal? So 1, 2. 2 types are there. So 2 on 9. Now write some questions by looking at this picture. So you can make any 2 questions and write the fractions for that question. Okay. Example. We can write then what part of the field does he grow green chili? That is 1 on 9. Okay. Make any two questions and write it. This circle is divided into two equal parts. Out of 1 on 2, that is here one is blue color and the one is red color. Equal parts, one part is colored blue. So 2 parts, that is the denominator 2, and 1 is for blue color, that is 1 on 2. This is the part 1 on 2. This is another part 1 on 2. Okay. Then here the circle is divided into how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. Okay. Out of 4 equal parts, 2 on 4 parts are colored blue. 2 parts are, that is, this is 2 on 4 and this part is 2 on 4. That is, here it is, if we are considering only this one, that is 1 on 4. Here it is 2 on, again 1 on 4. Here again 1 on 4. Here again 1 on 4. Each part has 1 on 4 part of this circle. Okay. Here the circle is divided into how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal parts. Out of 6 equal parts, for this first question, out of 2 equal parts, one part is colored blue. Okay. So here the circle is divided into 6 equal parts. Out of 6 equal parts, 3 on 6. 3 part is colored blue. Okay, 3 part is colored blue. For this question, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here the circle is divided into 8 equal parts. Out of 8 equal parts, 4 parts are colored with blue. Then 4 are there with red. Okay. So all these are equivalent fraction. That is 1 on 2 equal to, here also the size is same, no children. So 2, that is 2 on 4. Next here 3. So 3 on 6. Okay. Then 4 on 8. Anyway, the size of blue colored is same in each shape. Okay. Next page, cutting halwa. Ramesh bought a piece of halwa for his children Ammu and Anu. Oh, then he divided it into equally for them. That is, he cut this halwa into 2 equal parts. Then each will get half part of halwa. Okay, half part of halwa. So 1 for Anu and 1 for Ammu. This piece is too big. We can't eat it. Oh, they are two small children. They said, so he divided the piece into half again. Now, how many pieces will Ammu get? That is, he cut this into 2. Then this 2. So, total 4 are there. So, among these 4, 2 will get for our Ammu and 2 will get for Anu. What part of the halwa is it? Half part of the halwa itself, because first this man cut this into half. Again that same pieces cut into 2 pieces. Okay, anyway half will get. Clear? This show 1 on 5 petals of a flower. Here petals are there. Total how many petals needed? Here one flower is there. How many petals? 5 petals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then complete the flower by drawing the other petals. Then next, the picture shows 1/3 of the blades of a fan. Complete the picture by drawing the other blades. So here you have to draw 2 more. 3 blades will be there for each fan. So here 1 only is there. That is the 1 on 3. Then we have to draw 2 more. Here you have to draw 1 more petal. Okay, blade. Half of the blades of another fan are shown here. Complete the picture by drawing the other half. That is, here you have to draw 2 more. Okay. Then here you have to draw 1 more blade. Then how many 50 paise will make 1 rupee? We know that 50 paise is equal to half of the 1 rupee. Half of rupees 1. Okay, rupee 1. Then is 50 paise half of 1 rupee? Yes. 250 rupees, 50 paise needed to make 1 rupee. That is 50 plus 50 is equal to 100 paise. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. How many 25 will make 1 rupee? 25 plus 25, that is 50 only. Again we need 25 plus 25 to get 50. 50 plus 50 is equal to rupees 1. Okay. So we need 425 paise. 25 paise is 1 on 4 part of 1 rupee. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then how many 25 paise needed? 25 paise 4 needed. 20 paise. Total 100 paise will be 1 rupee. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this will be 20 paise. So that will be 1 on 5 part of 1 rupee. How many 10 paise? That is, some more will be there. So 1 on 10 will be there. Here 20 paise, then that is 1 on 5. Then 10 paise, 1 on 10 will be there. Okay. Then so 10 paise is 1 on 10 part of 1 rupee. How many 10 paise needed? Actually 10 paise. Okay. 20 paise how many needed? 5. Okay. How many? 20 paise. How many needed? 5. Then 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. 100. Then 10 how many? 10 times 10 is equal to 100. So 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. Okay. The items and price of each items are given here. Here vegetable market. Okay. This is the shop selling vegetables. Then for potato 12 rupees per kg. That is for 1 kilo 12 rupees. For potato 10 rupees. Onion 16. Carrot 18 rupees. Bitter gourd 8 rupees. This is for 1 kilo. Now Kirti's shopping list. Look at the yellow price list here. We have to consider this amount. Then how much does 2 kilogram of tomato cost? So tomato, how much? Price in rupees per kg. For tomato 12 rupees. We can write that. Then 2 kilogram. 2 kilogram. So 2 times 12. That is 24. Okay. Then how much does half kilogram of tomato cost? Oh, half also. Then here for 1 kilogram 12 rupees. Then for half kilogram that is 6 rupees. Then Kiran wants 2.5 kilogram of potato. 2 kilogram and extra half kilogram also needed. For 2 kilogram 12 rupees. Then for half kilogram not 12, 24 rupees. Okay. 24 and for half kilogram that is 6 rupees. So 30 rupees needed. Then how much does 3.5 kilogram potato cost? For 1 kilogram potato 10 rupees. For 3 kilogram 30 rupees. That is 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 30 rupees. For half kilogram that is 5 rupees. So 35 rupees. Okay. What is the price of 1/4 kilogram of carrot? That is 1 kilogram and extra quarter kilogram, that is 250 gram. Okay. So here for 1 kilogram carrot 18 rupees. So anyway he has to pay 18 rupees. Then for quarter is half of 18 is 9. Again half of 9, that is 4.5. So 4.5 also needed to give. That is 22.5 rupees. So rupees 22.5. Then he bought a gourd of weight for 3/4 kilogram. Its cost is, so what is the weight? Here the price of 1 kilogram is 8 rupees. Then 4 kilogram. So 8 times 4, 32. Then again 3/4 of 8. That is cut into 8, half. Then that is 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Then 6 rupees also needed. That is 38 rupees. Okay. So we have to calculate the total amount. We have to add all this amount. Clear?